loves, what's going, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a Sunday reset video, and actually this day is not going according to plan. I'm currently getting ready to go to church, so I'm just going to do my makeup now. So I guess church is a great part of resetting, but I actually wanted to do the self-care part earlier in the morning. I wanted to wake up at 6 a.m. so I set my alarm, but when I saw my alarm, I'm like, Chanel, BFR, be for real. I was not gonna wake up at 6. So I snooze until about 8:30. And yeah, I was hitting snooze until 8:30. That's actually crazy. So then when I finally got up 8:30, I'm like, yeah, it's too late to wash my hair because I have this tail. I don't even know how to describe it because my hair, I have a V-part wig, and I was planning to wash my hair, straighten everything, clip the ends, then redo the V-part wig. But yeah, that's not happening right now, and I'm actually late for church. Church starts at 10:30. It is about 10:40 now, and then it's gonna take like 15 minutes to get there. So I think like by the time I arrive at church, it will be preaching time. So I mean, I guess that's the most important part, but I do love praise and worship, and I'm always missing praise and worship, and I've been up since 8:30, but I was fooling on my phone. Anyways, so I guess this is the first part. I'm gonna show y'all me getting ready to go to church. I don't think I'll film in church because that's awkward, but yeah, I think I'm gonna stop at the supermarket after church, and when I come back, I'll just do my self-care, do my hair, nails. I think I'm gonna do a facial because I've been breaking out really badly. Nah, I might do my makeup and sweating. It's so hot. I think I'll have to move to the bedroom so I can get some AC. Oh my gosh, I just started vlogging and I didn't even say anything to you guys. I know I've been MIA for a while, and sometimes I just pop up like nothing happened. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, let me tell y'all what I've been up to while I was MIA. Yeah, work. Work has been kicking my butt. I think that's mainly it. And actually I don't know, I just found it really hard to come on YouTube to pick up the camera. It's been really hard, so I just do it here and there. So yeah, I've just been so busy doing a bunch of things and a little bit stressed. So yeah, but now I'm back, and I'm just happy to be starting the week going to church. I mean, the devil tried me today because nothing was fitting. Well, I've been gaining a lot of weight actually, but it's still the devil. But yeah, I couldn't fit anything. This is the only thing that could fit, and I was so happy because I was like, oh, I can't go to church today. I'm going to have to order some things. But you know what? I'm going to wear, I think I have like 2 dresses I can fit now. So I'm just going to, what do you call it, alternate between them. Yeah, and hopefully lose some weight so that I can fit into the next one. But I'm really starting to take this weight loss journey seriously, and I'm trying to cut out as much carbs as possible and everything. But yeah, there's just been a lot going on in my life, a lot of adulting, you know, boring stuff. But yeah, I'm happy to be back. Hey loves, I just got back home and I'm exhausted, and I think it's because I drank this. Like, I know that I'm not supposed to drink juice, I want to just drink water, but what can I say? When you go on the road hungry, like you do anything. But I got watermelon. I've been wanting this for so long. I'm so happy. But yeah, so these are all the things that we bought at the supermarket, and can you guess what it came up to? Oh my gosh. Anyways, so this is some pak choy. This is an onion. This one onion, I mean, this is what I get for not going to the market. So one little onion for $373. Oh my god. All right, this is cabbage, and mind you, I also went to Mega Mart. So, and scallion, got some onions. Guys, you can see the green. Like, I'm really trying here. I'm trying to be healthy. This is some shredded callaloo. I bought this sauce. I wanted to try it. I'm going to do some wings today, and I might just use this as the side. So pineapple barbecue sauce. I got some beef. I wanted to do a wrap, but I'm going to decide. I think I'll eat the beef with cabbage. I'm not sure, because I'm trying to cut out like rice, dumplings, pasta, those things. Anyways, the watermelon, I don't regret the price I paid. I actually wish that I bought two because it is so sweet. As you can see, I just cut it. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. I feel like I might finish this by tonight, but I'll try not to. But tang. So the thing with tang is that they don't use like regular sugar. They use the artificial sugar. What do you call it? Splendor. Yeah, they use Splendor. So this is like less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. Can you see? Yep. And it makes like 2 liters of drinks. The only thing is that it leaves a weird taste in your mouth, but you get used to it. So yeah, usually I don't buy sugar. And then of course I have the wings that I'm going to do today. I don't know, I feel for wings. I think wings go well. I want like dry wings. Does that make sense? Like, I'll probably fry it or grill it. Whatever I'm doing to it, I'm putting it in the air fryer. And I bought, what's this? Oh, chicken stew. Right, and usually with chicken stew, they put a lot of wings in it, but I don't mind. So yeah, that's all that I bought. And if you had already guessed, the cost of all this is like $9,000 something. I don't even know if I'm going to even get the chance to do some self-care, but right now I'm going to start prepping dinner. So yeah, let's have a little cook with me session. So I'm gonna start my self-care routine. I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish today, but I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, I'm going to remove this makeup. And I've been searching for my makeup wipes and it's nowhere to be found. So I'll have to wash my face a couple times. Well, I usually like do the wipe first, then wash my face, because then it's less makeup to wash off. But no, it's gonna be a bit more difficult to remove it. So I'm gonna pick, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think I'm gonna go in with this face mask. How cute is it? Oh, it's so cute. I can't believe I still have them. Well, I can, because I've kind of been saving them for special moments. And also, they're so cute. It smells really good. I just don't want to use it because they're so cute. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It is soaked in whatever product they had in that pouch. Let me see, apple essence. Oh, I guess that's the active ingredient, apple essence. Anyways, let's see. And I'm going to just take off the wig and start pulling out my braids. It smells so good. It feels good as well. Nice and cold. Trying to get it under my eyes. Oh, cute are these sheet masks. Okay, there's a fold to this area. Get some on my lip. So yeah, I'm gonna take my hair out as well. I don't think I'm going to put this back in. I'm going to try, I don't know. I'm gonna straighten all my hair and then I'm not sure what I'll do after, but okay. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been talking to the camera this entire time just to realize that it was off. Anyways, I removed the face mask and now I'm applying some treatments to my hair. I applied this amla hair oil and now I'm using this SheIn moisture mask. So I was saying that I only want to do this once per month because usually I just wash my hair when I'm doing my regular shower routine, so I don't spend like half an hour or longer to do my hair. It's just a few minutes. I wash, condition, rinse, and that's it. I think I want to do this once per month, you know, just to give my hair a little treatment. Oh, and I was also talking about how great this male hair oil is. It really helps me with my thinning edges and now there's hair growing back where hair wasn't, so definitely try it. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this treatment all over my hair. This is the first in months, and when I say months, I mean like over 8 months that I'm using these products. Not the male, but the amla or the SheIn moisture product. I've just been using what's it called, the Aussie Moist shampoo along with hair mayonnaise. So yeah, that's all that I've been using in my hair. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair and give it 45 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can find a shower cap to put over it so that it can seep into my strands a bit more. After that, I'm just going to wash it out, do my regular wash routine, which is the shampoo and the hair mayonnaise.